Alright, we just got back on the road. When I was in the Hamptons after the reptile exhibit, we managed to get 2 cards from the Pokemon card series Vivid Voltage, Sword and Shield Vivid Voltage I meant. Anyways, let's open these cards up and see what we got here. Set this down. Let's see what we got. I'll start with the one with Celebi. Alright, let's see. Here's the back of the card. Here, it's real hard to see. Hold on a sec. There we go. I got Execute, Eevee. I think that's Woobat. Yeah. Arukata, I think that's his name. Seedot, typical. I already have these. Lugia, Beedrill, Fighting Energy, Delmise, that's a big one. Galarian Stunfisk, Aroma Energy, and that's it. Shoot. Now, where did I put that other one? Let me just put these down here. Okay, now, where did you go? Aha! There we go. The one with Gigantamax Pikachu. Now, let's open this up and see what we've got. I hope I got one. If I get a jackpot, shove it. Voltorb. Oh yeah, this is a Buchiana. Ooh, Rockruff, my favorite. Let's see, Talo, Duat, Jackpot! Okay, this is a new one. It's not exactly a G-Max, but I got a Pikachu V card. Nice! Scar. Anyways, here we have a Kakuna. This thing gives me the chills. Alright, Pikachu V. Managed to get you. Energy. I think that's a... Okay, that's the gym leader. And lastly, here's... this Batang. And there we go. I managed to get 2 cards, but I managed to get a jackpot. Even though this wasn't what I was expecting for. I was expecting something more like a Gigantamax Pikachu. However, I do have a Zarude and Gigantamax Orbeetle. And this one might be the next in line to complete my collection. I'm still after Calyrex, Dreadnought, and a bunch of others like Mega Swampert. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing in black and white. Please like, remark, and subscribe to my channel. And based on your comments below, let me know what awesome character you want me to draw next. And well, by the end of the year, I promise I will draw Pikachu for the sake of my own sites and to keep you guys super entertained. And well, I'll see you guys again soon. And I got more vids on the way, like Ben Mummy, Ben Wolf, Mummymon, Shagamon, Lord Bogra, ooh, that's a big one, and a bunch of others I can't remember. And well, I should make sure to request me to draw something more challenging, just for you guys to know.